Here's a quick video on how to replace the third brake light in a Honda Odyssey. This specific model is a 2012. You're going to need these bulbs. It's a 921. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. You're also going to need a medium flat tip screwdriver as well as a PH2 Phillips screwdriver. All right, so both of these are going to need to come out, and you're going to want to use your flat tip screwdriver, and there's a little pry area on each side. Next, you want to remove this Phillips screw and that Phillips screw. Once you have both of those removed, you're going to slide this out and grab both your screws. Okay, so the back side looks like this. The bulb's right here. You just twist to the left, pull that out, and there's your bad bulb. Okay, now you've got your replacement bulb. You just want to insert that just like you pulled the old one out. Give it a firm push. This slides in here. And you just want to slide it in and lock it into the right. Go ahead and reinstall this. Put your two screws back in. Go ahead and put these two screws back in. Put these last two clips in and you're all set. Okay, you're back in business. Hope that was helpful. If it was, make sure you hit that thumbs up button.